In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide rows in Google Sheets. If parts of your spreadsheet seem to have disappeared, don't worry. In most cases, your data isn't gone. It's simply hidden. I'll walk you through two straightforward ways to bring those rows back, plus a quick tip to fix a common issue that looks similar to hidden rows. First, let's look at the quickest fix when you know exactly where rows are missing. In Google Sheets, the row numbers run down the left side. When a row, or a block of rows, is hidden, you'll see a small pair of arrows right in that number area, one pointing up and one pointing down, with a faint gap where the missing rows should be. Click directly on those arrows, and the hidden rows will slide back into view instantly. If multiple groups are hidden in different places, just repeat this wherever you spot those arrows. This is the fastest option when you can see exactly where something is tucked away. Now, if hidden rows are scattered all over the sheet and you don't want to track down each little arrow, here's the all-at-once method. Click the small square at the very top left corner of the grid, where the column letters and row numbers intersect. That selects the entire sheet. Next, move your cursor over to any row number on the left. Right-click to open the context menu and choose Unhide Rows. Google Sheets will search the whole selection and reveal every hidden row in one go. If you don't see Unhide Rows in that menu, it usually means there aren't any hidden rows in the selected area. Here's a pro tip, because missing rows aren't always caused by hiding. Sometimes a filter is applied, which temporarily removes rows from view based on certain criteria. Look for a small funnel icon in your column headers. If you see it, a filter is active. To bring everything back, go to the Data menu at the top and choose Remove Filter. Your full data set should reappear immediately. That's it. Use the arrow indicators to unhide in specific spots. Select the whole sheet and unhide to reveal everything at once, and clear any active filters if rows still seem to be missing. With these steps, you'll have your data visible again in just a few clicks.